Welcome to Lexus of Royal Oak. Here we have one of our new units. It is a 2018 RX 350 executive package in the caviar finish. All vehicles purchased at Lexus of Royal Oak come with an automatic enrollment into our Royal VIP Rewards program. This 2018 model does come equipped with the Lexus Safety System Plus. Other features do include LED headlamps, LED daytime running lights, headlamp washers, front and rear park assist sensors, the blind spot monitor with the rear cross traffic alert, keyless entry with the push to start ignition, automatic high beam, power liftgate, head-up display, heated steering wheel, panoramic view monitor, driver's seat memory seating, power folding side mirrors, power adjustable front seating, power tilt and telescopic steering wheel, hands-free controls, the lane departure alert with steering assist, dynamic radar cruise control with the pre-collision, a 12.3-inch multimedia display with navigation and the integrated backup camera, a 15-speaker Mark Levinson premium surround sound audio system, a QI-compatible wireless smartphone charging, heated and ventilated front seats, gray Sapel wood with aluminum, drive mode select, the panoramic sunroof, black leather interior, manual rear door sunshades, heated seats, and of course comes with a built-in legendary Lexus quality, reliability, and lowest luxury cost of ownership. To find out more on this vehicle, visit us at lexusofroyaloak.com or give us a call to schedule a test drive today at 403-296-9600.